So hey friends, hanging out this weekend in the National Grasslands with some friends of mine. We are having a great time. Turned out to be a beautiful weekend. A little bit of a cloudy start, but that sun is shining now. Just really, really nice. Great way to bring in February. So anyway, just wanted to share a few little highlights with you. Cool things about the grasslands is there's about 75 miles of trails out here, mostly used for horseback riding, but they can definitely be used for hiking or backpacking. Sometimes they even use them for running and just exercise. They even have a marathon out here once a year, so that's kind of cool. But this is an awesome place. Lots and lots of free camping. So if you're ever in the area and you don't mind some dry camping, some pretty rustic stuff, this is it. You can see down there that road that comes in and goes up and around, and that comes right up here. So I'm just in a little offshoot, and you can see there's like pull through place right there, and you can just camp anywhere you want. A little visitor is gonna let us pet the horses.
We've never seen horses before.
Never.
This is the first.
Well, I think this is the first time I've ever had a park ranger or a forest ranger ride up on a horse, though.
This one right here is 2 socks, and that one right there we haven't named yet.
Oh wow.
He's got papered name, but we ain't really made it. I just got him about a week ago. So.
Oh.
I'm Sandy.
Charles.
Patti.
Nice to meet you.
We just got done dragging a bunch of firewood up.
Gotta have them.
Yeah.
Alrighty.
You have a great day. Thanks for checking on
No
us.
problem. All right. We got anything?
Anytime you need somebody to ride, yeah, we
Bye.
can help.
Okay. Sure will.
I had to knock on my neighbor's door and borrow butter.
Oh, you're borrowing a half a stick of butter. Oh, we've got the campfire build man. He means business. Oh, nothing can go wrong with that idea.
Didn't even look safe.
What could possibly go wrong?
Yeah. Famous last words. What could possibly go wrong? The commitment we make for firewood.
Yeah, he is definitely committed. So Sandy, you did say you brought your first aid supplies in case this goes awry.
I said I have some, but I don't have, I have a needle and thread. I guess we can just use that.
That'll do. Super glue.
First aid supplies too. So
Yeah.
I was just thinking.
Oh, I always have a very good first aid.
Yay!
Win!
I am mad.
I had no doubt you would win. So why would you be considered the bad influence?
That's an excellent
Leanna.
question.
I need to know more about this.
That's an excellent question because we all know the true history here.
Let me get the microphone. Yes, Miss Moore Myers.
Because I follow Patty's lead and she's
That is
true
total
baddie.
bullshit. Total bullshit. Here's the microphone.
Something tells me we're never going to get the real truth out of you two.
Try again.
Because I follow Patty's lead.
No.
So I got out last night and with my little headlamp, my little light, and just kind of shined it around, and I was like, oh, there's something out there, something reflected back.
Little eyes looked at you.
It was my bike.
Oh, your bike.
I freaked myself out because that was a pretty big animal, whatever it was.
And wheels and everything.
Sasquatch.
Yeah.
Bigfoot is in the grassland.
In the hood.
All right, I have y'all's updated weather forecast. The fog will be burning off between 11 and 12 p.m. It's 56 degrees currently. We're expecting a high of 66. Enjoy your day.
That's lovely.
Lovely. So yeah, this fog should burn off shortly. All right, let the breakfast feast begin. Wonder wonder if she has any just bacon.
Hey, hash browns coming in.
All
Hash browns coming in.
right, I'm going in for a plate. You said you had a plate and a fork? A couple pieces of bacon, Leanna.
Here you go.
Thank you, ma'am. You're the bomb. All right. Going to the hash brown station.
Oh, I gave them to her.
Oh, all of the hash browns went that way?
Well, not all of them. Some the ones that were done.
Oh.
Do you want me to bring
Oh,
anything
the
else?
important ones.
Everything left over, I'll come back.
Yeah, camping breakfast. Yep, pretty awesome. Can't find this good of food in a restaurant.
We need a spoon on most of those, don't we?
They'll be gone before you can get the spoon.
Do what? Are these the hash browns in here?
Yeah.
This Bill and Sandy's RV. Check out their stickers. I love it. Very cool. So we're gonna go hide a geocache, and this is what? A trackable.
Which duck are you?
Which duck are you? That's cool. So Vicky and I decided that the Grasslands needs one more geocache, so we're hiding it today. We found this cute little cedar tree. I think this will do. Perfect tree you found there, I think, Vic.
Thanks.
That'll do.
Good.
Show y'all where the geocache is. This is a spoiler. If you ever come to look for it, it's right there. So I already have a couple of geocaches hidden out here, and I've named them after some of my favorite YouTubers, Big Dog RVer and Drive By Andy. Even though neither one of them even have a channel anymore, they're still hidden in the grassland. So we'll have to decide who we're going to name this one after.